Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make your own construction paper pumpkin. So first you're going to start off with the colored paper of your choice, and we're just going to cut even strips, so you can choose to cut them vertically to get a bigger pumpkin or flip it over and cut it horizontally for a shorter, cuter pumpkin. So here are the strips. We're not going to use all of them, it just depends how full you want your pumpkin to be. We're going to start with one strip first laid horizontally, and then you're going to apply a dab of glue right in the middle of the strip. So once you have that done, you're going to take a second strip and apply it to the top of the piece vertically. So again, now you're going to apply more glue and then apply another piece down. Again, more glue as well, and then you're going to apply the next piece, and just continue doing this until you're happy with the fullness of your pumpkin. So once you're happy with the shape of your pumpkin, you're going to start attaching each opposite end together at the top to form the pumpkin shape. So as you see here, I'm just holding all the pieces together just to see what it looks like. So I'm quite happy with the shape of my pumpkin, so now I'm going to take my glue and glue all the pieces to the top. Now that your pumpkin has been formed, we're going to create a stem for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some black construction paper and then just cut out a little portion of it just to make a rectangle stem. So I'm just cutting a piece off. And then now I'm going to just fold over a portion of that rectangle so I have something to stick onto my pumpkin. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of glue to it and then stick it to the top of my pumpkin. And there you have it, a super easy construction paper pumpkin made with just pieces of paper and a little bit of glue. So you can make them in different sizes, different colors. So these two are made with horizontal short strips, and then this next one here is made with long vertical strips with a lot more strips to make it a lot more full. Thanks for watching today's craft video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to see more craft videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. These pumpkins make great decor for your classroom or even great decor for home. Thanks for watching. Bye.